So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Image Playground on your iPhone. You get a new feature called Image Playground after the iOS 18.2 update. You can use this feature to create AI art on your iPhone. So let's see how. First of all, open this Playground app on your iPhone. Now, you will see this interface. Swipe to see all the suggestions like costumes, accessories, places, etc. After this, you will have to describe the image you want to generate. For this, tap here. Now for example, I want a sports car in forest. So I will type sports car in forest. Now this will show a sports car in forest. Swipe to see more results like this. Now tap on done and the image is saved. So this is how you can use Image Playground on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.